Seasoned beauties, welcome back. It's Gina again. How you doing? Well, coming to you once again with another one of my favorite boxes. It's an Onyx box, and we're going to do our February unboxing. Well, let's see what's in here. I'm not going to hold you long. I just want to show you what came in for the month, and then we'll just keep it moving. But in the meantime, while we're setting this up, if you like what you see, by all means, hit that subscribe button below and come on back. Share this video with your friends and invite them to come along as well. So, let's see. First of all, box is in. And we're going to go ahead and get this opened. Once again, that beautiful artwork on the inside of the box. Showing some of the gorgeous shades that we are. Oh, that is fabulous. Okay, the month of February. How about this description card? How about that? For the month of February. Okay. And this one gives us, of course, a description of what is enclosed in this box. It says, "Dear Onyx Girl, with everything you do for everyone, it is time to show yourself some attention. We're bringing you some of our faves that'll get you ready for date night, ladies' night, or a cozy night in." How about that? Somebody's looking out for you. All right, let's dig right in and see what's in the box. First of all, alrighty then. This is where we start. This beautiful makeup bag. So, and they actually call it a cosmetics bag because it can hold more than just your makeup. And this is by the company Tokyo Milk. And the retail value of this bag is $14. It says, "Love your February goodies. Keep them safe in this pouch. This convertible cosmetic tote will be your new favorite travel accessory or keep you organized from day to day." Once again, retail value of this bag is $14. Now, I will tell you, I have had some products previously from Tokyo Milk, one of which was a perfume. It was a perfume bottle like this. This was a few months ago, and that same rose that's on the bag is on, I don't know if you can see it good, is on the inside of that bottle. Smelled pretty good, but I'm kind of hooked on one particular scent, which I'm known for wearing, but that one wasn't too bad. I did wear it from time to time, which was very nice. And it says this bag is by Marigo Elena. See, it just has her name right there. So let's dig into the bag that was in the box. Okay, and the first thing that we are pulling out, okay, it says Bellatox. So come on, focus. Let's see what this is all about. Well, this says it's by a company called Morgana Laboratory, and it says, "Kiss dry winter skin goodbye with this moisturizing serum." It says contains 4 actives to visibly reduce wrinkles in a flash. Apply twice a day, alone or under your makeup for intense hydration. This little bottle right here, $25. Okay, there's going to be some potent stuff. I'll let you know how that one works out as well. Next is by Bella Pierre. Let's find that in this bag. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay, this is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Here we go. Okay, and this is Wild Lilac Shimmer Powder. Celebrate your best assets, your eyes. Dress them up with this long-lasting, vibrant color made of 100% pure mica powder. Try also as a blush, liner, lip color, or nail color. And this one, the retail value is $15. Let's see if we can, okay, it comes in a nice sifter and it is sealed. So, alright, for y'all, I'll open it. Let's see what this color looks like. Oh, gorgeous. This is really very pretty. Ooh, a little bit goes a long way. Now it's all over everything. Okay. I wonder how that would look as a highlighter. Just a little tiny bit. Look at that. Whew, that is pretty. I know the lights are kind of washing it out a little bit. Let me see if I can get you. There we go. How about that color right there? That is gorgeous. Definitely putting the top back on that, because I know that will take some doing to get that off. Okay, next thing in the bag is a bath and body set, and this is by a company called Library of Flowers. Okay, let's see what that says. It says bath and body set. Devote part of your day to some well-deserved quote-unquote me time. This fragrant bath and body duo is the ultimate treat and will leave your skin feeling soft and smelling incredible. Well, let's see which one is. Okay, this one says wildflower and fern. And it says this is also made with green tea. And this one is the body scrub. This one is the hand cream. Oh, that smells nice. It actually smells very nice and fresh. I just put a little dab. Oh, nice. That one will go in my purse for a little while. Oh, that smells really nice. Okay, and the last item is by Jane Carter Solutions. Okay? And this says healthy hair care. For your curls with one of Jane Carter's healthy hair care products. The line focuses on providing natural solutions for healthy, luxurious, manageable hair for all hair types. Okay, and this one is a 1.8. Nope, it's 1 fluid ounce size. Okay, so that is our February Onyx box. I'm loving this picture though. That is just gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. Now, like I said, this box is $25 a month. I will leave a link in the description box below if you would like to take a look at them and see what they have to offer. This particular box actually $67 was the retail value of the items that are in this box. This is really nice. I do like what I've seen, and I will be using it. And I will let you know what I thought of these products that were in the February box. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay beautiful regardless of the season that you're in.